Start by obtaining more wood. Punch some trees and turn the wood into planks. About 3 to 5 blocks of wood will be enough for basic tools. Next, open your crafting table. On PC, right-click it. On Xbox, press X. On Pocket Edition, just tap it. Craft sticks by placing 2 planks vertically in the crafting grid. This will give you 4 sticks, which you'll need for torches, pickaxes, and axes. Craft a pickaxe. Fill the top row of the crafting grid with your material, planks or cobblestone, and place 2 sticks in the middle column. The pickaxe will appear in the result box. Craft an axe. Place 2 materials in the top left and top middle slots, 1 material in the middle left slot, and sticks in the middle and bottom middle slots. The axe will appear in the result box. Finally, learn to use your tools. Place them on your hotbar, select the tool, and use it by holding down the left mouse button on PC, the left trigger on Xbox, or tapping and holding on PE. Use the axe to chop wood faster and the pickaxe to mine stone and ores.